Did you know you can build a complete app using ChatGPT without advanced coding skills? In this video, I'll show you how to create a subscription tracker web app using just the help of ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and enter a prompt to create a subscription tracker web app. Don't worry, I've included the exact prompt in the video description. Just copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and follow along with the steps I show in this video. Now that the prompt is copied and pasted, ChatGPT will start generating the code for the application. Based on the instructions in the prompt, ChatGPT understands that we want to build a subscription tracker web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, it creates the HTML structure, which builds the layout of the app. This includes elements like the form to add subscriptions, the dashboard section, and the table to display the subscription list. Next, ChatGPT generates the CSS styles. These styles control how the app looks, things like colors, spacing, fonts, buttons, and the overall layout of the dashboard. Then ChatGPT writes the JavaScript code, which makes the app interactive. This part handles actions like adding subscriptions, editing them, deleting them, calculating totals, and storing the data using local storage so the data stays saved in your browser. Since we requested a single file app, ChatGPT combines the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into one file, making it very easy to use. And if we click the Run button, we can instantly see a preview of the app generated by ChatGPT. Once the code generation is complete, we simply copy the entire code and paste it into an index.html file to run the application. And in the next step, I'll show you how to save the code and run the app on your computer in less than 1 minute. Now that the code has been generated, the next step is to copy the entire code provided by ChatGPT. Open a simple text editor such as Notepad, VS Code, or any code editor on your computer. Then paste the copied code into the editor and save as the file with the name index.html. Make sure the file extension is HTML, because this tells the browser that it is a web application. Once the file is saved, simply double-click the file or open it in any web browser, and your subscription tracker app will start running immediately. Next, we will look at how to add subscription details into the tracker. In the form section, you can enter the service name, subscription amount, category, billing cycle, and the next billing date. Once all the details are entered, simply click the Save Subscription button, and the subscription will be added to the tracker and displayed in the subscription list page. Now let's add another subscription into the tracker. In the form section, enter the service name, subscription amount, category, billing cycle, and the next billing date. The billing cycle helps the app understand whether the subscription is monthly or yearly, which allows the app to calculate the total cost correctly. After filling in all the details, simply click Save Subscription. The app will instantly store the subscription in the browser using local storage and display it in the subscription list page. You can keep adding multiple subscriptions, and the tracker will automatically update the list and the dashboard page totals as you add more entries. Now, let's add a few more subscription details so we can check the upcoming renewal notifications on the dashboard page. Enter different subscriptions with various billing dates, especially dates that are within the next few days. Once these subscriptions are added, the app will automatically detect the upcoming renewals. On the dashboard section, you will see a notification showing which subscriptions are renewing within the next 7 days, along with the remaining number of days. This helps you stay aware of upcoming payments and avoid unexpected subscription charges. Next, you can verify the details in the subscription list page and check whether the dashboard totals are matching. Compare the subscription amounts in the list with the monthly and yearly totals displayed on the dashboard. This helps ensure that the calculations are correct and that the application is working properly. By verifying the totals, you can confirm the accuracy and validity of the subscription tracker app. And that's how you can create a simple subscription tracker web app using ChatGPT. In just a few steps, we generated the code, created the app, added subscription details, and verified the dashboard calculations. If you need further development or additional features for the app, simply enter your new requirements in ChatGPT, and it will generate the updated code for you. Then you can follow the same procedure we used in this video to update and run the application. In the same way, you can also explore many more app ideas and build your own tools using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered app tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.